What if the most powerful health remedy you'll ever need is already sitting in your kitchen cabinet, costing almost nothing and hiding in plain sight? What if this simple white powder could help you from heartburn to kidney disease? Unfortunately, yet 90% of people who own it have no idea what they're missing. When was the last time you thought about baking soda as anything other than an ingredient for cookies? If you're like most people, probably never. But what you're about to discover might completely change how you look at this humble household ingredient. But what actually happens when you drink baking soda water? Are the benefits real or just another myth? Who should avoid using baking soda? The evidence is starting to pile up. Medical journals are publishing studies, researchers are documenting results, and the findings keep pointing to the same surprising conclusion. This simple alkaline compound might be one of the most versatile health tools you can own. Baking soda works through basic chemistry that hasn't changed in millions of years. Your body runs on a delicate pH balance. When that balance tips to acidic, problems multiply. Baking soda's power comes from its ability to neutralize acid, whether that's in your stomach, your blood, or your skin. In today's video, we'll examine 8 health benefits of using baking soda daily, especially if you are over 60s. I will also discuss important safety considerations and specify which groups of people should take extra precautions when using baking soda. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends and family. Have you or anyone in your family ever used baking soda for health purposes? Which part of the world are you from? Leave your comment below. 1. Manages urinary tract infections. The logic here is that alkalizing the urine might create a less hospitable environment for bacteria that cause UTIs, while also potentially reducing symptoms like burning during urination. A study in the International Urogynecology Journal apparently found that oral sodium bicarbonate helped female patients with lower urinary tract symptoms associated with acidic urine, increasing urine pH from 5.31 to 7.2 on average and reducing symptoms like frequency and urgency. This claim has some plausibility, but it comes with important caveats. UTIs often require antibiotics to properly clear the infection. Symptom management is not the same as treatment. And once again, self-medicating for UTIs can lead to delays in getting proper care, which can allow the infection to spread to the kidneys. 2. Fighting fungal infections naturally. Fungal infections love warm, moist environments. They show up as itchy, red, flaky patches on skin, especially around feet. Athletes' foot, ringworm, and similar conditions are caused by fungi that thrive when conditions are right. Baking soda disrupts the environment these organisms need to grow. When applied to skin, it creates an alkaline setting that weakens fungal cell walls, making it harder for them to survive and multiply. A study published in Mycopathologia found that a baking soda solution inhibited growth in 80% of tested fungal strains. This wasn't just folklore, it was measurable scientific evidence of baking soda's antifungal properties. Using it is straightforward. You can make a paste with baking soda and water for direct application, or add it to a foot bath. Many people report relief from itching and discomfort after just a few treatments. Since it's gentle and non-toxic, it's a good option for those wanting to avoid harsh chemicals. 3. Supporting your body's natural detox system. Your body already knows how to detox itself. Your liver, kidneys, and skin work around the clock to filter out waste and toxins. But sometimes they need help, especially when acid levels get too high. When you dissolve baking soda in water, it becomes alkaline. This alkalinity can help neutralize acids both inside and outside your body. Many people use baking soda baths to calm irritated skin and reduce itchiness. The theory is that soaking in this alkaline solution helps draw out impurities while balancing your skin's pH. The internal effects get more interesting. Some health practitioners believe that drinking small amounts of baking soda water can help alkalize your blood and urine, making it easier for your body to eliminate toxins. There's scientific backing for this, particularly for people with kidney problems. A study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation helps slow chronic kidney disease progression by reducing acid buildup in the blood. This suggests that for certain conditions, baking soda can genuinely support your body's natural detoxification processes. The key word here is moderation. Your body maintains its pH balance quite well on its own, and overdoing any alkalizing agent can cause problems. But used wisely, Baking soda offers a gentle, inexpensive way to support what your body already does naturally. 4. Supports oral health. Baking soda earned its place in countless toothpastes for good reason. If you've ever brushed with straight baking soda, you probably noticed how smooth and clean your teeth felt afterward. That's because it acts as a mild abrasive, scrubbing away surface stains from coffee, tea, and other foods. But the benefits go deeper than cosmetics. Baking soda is alkaline, which means it neutralizes acids in your mouth. This matters because acidic environments let harmful bacteria thrive, leading to cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. By balancing your mouth's pH, baking soda creates conditions where these bacteria struggle to survive. According to a review published in the Journal of the American Dental Association, toothpastes containing baking soda demonstrate superior stain removal compared to those without it, despite their higher abrasiveness. However, it's important to avoid applying excessive pressure to your teeth when using baking soda. The catch is that baking soda is abrasive. Use it too often or brush too hard, and you'll wear down your tooth enamel over time. Dentists recommend using it just a few times per week with a soft bristled brush. Done right, it's a simple way to achieve cleaner, brighter, healthier teeth at home. 5. Supporting kidney function. For people with chronic kidney disease, baking soda might offer genuine medical benefits. When kidneys struggle to remove enough acid from blood, it leads to metabolic acidosis. This excess acid can accelerate kidney damage and worsen overall health. Baking soda acts as a natural antacid, helping neutralize blood acid. By reducing blood acidity, it can ease the burden on kidneys and potentially slow disease progression. A landmark study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology followed patients with advanced chronic kidney disease and metabolic acidosis. Those taking daily sodium bicarbonate supplements experienced significantly slower kidney function decline compared to those who didn't. The baking soda group was also less likely to develop end-stage renal disease requiring dialysis. This isn't a cure, and it requires medical supervision. Too much can cause complications like high blood pressure or fluid retention. But under proper guidance, this kitchen ingredient could play a meaningful role in supporting kidney health. 6. Fast relief from heartburn. Heartburn hits when stomach acid backs up into your esophagus, creating that familiar burning sensation. While there are plenty of commercial antacids available, a simple remedy sits in most kitchen cabinets. Mixing a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and sipping slowly can provide almost immediate relief. The science is straightforward. Baking soda is alkaline, so it neutralizes the excess stomach acid causing the burn. This works because heartburn is fundamentally an acid problem, and baking soda is fundamentally an acid neutralizer. When they meet, basic chemistry takes over, and the burning stops. 7. Potential cancer effects. Claims about baking soda and cancer need careful examination. A 2024 study published in Frontiers in Oncology investigated sodium bicarbonate's effects on tumor acidity. Cancer cells often create acidic microenvironments, which can promote tumor growth and metastasis. The research found that sodium bicarbonate could neutralize this acidity, potentially inhibiting cancer progression. In mice with malignant ascites, fluid accumulation due to cancer, treatment with sodium bicarbonate solutions extended survival rates compared to control groups. The study also mentioned a case where a patient with chemotherapy-resistant ovarian cancer experienced reduced tumor markers after receiving sodium bicarbonate treatment. This research suggests sodium bicarbonate might influence the tumor microenvironment, making it less conducive to cancer cell survival. However, these findings are preliminary. No one should use baking soda as a cancer treatment without medical supervision, and certainly not in place of conventional therapies with proven efficacy. Before we continue, I've got some exciting news to share. If you enjoy our content and want access to exclusive benefits, become a channel member. As a member, you will unlock some amazing perks like early access to new videos, priority replies to your comments, members-only shorts, polls, quizzes, and special emojis and loyalty badges just for you. Just click the join button and be part of this community that values health and well-being. Your support helps us keep bringing high-quality content for you. 8. Help with gout symptoms. Gout is a particularly painful form of arthritis that often strikes at night. It happens when uric acid crystals accumulate in joints, typically starting with the big toe. The pain can be excruciating, with sufferers describing it as feeling like their joint is on fire. Sodium bicarbonate appears to help through a simple mechanism. It alkalizes the urine, which increases the solubility of uric acid. This helps prevent new crystal formation and may aid in dissolving existing ones. A 2024 study in the British Journal of Hospital Medicine found that combining sodium bicarbonate with benzbromarone, a medication that increases uric acid excretion, led to significant reductions in serum uric acid levels and fewer crystal deposits. The study found this combination was more effective than sodium bicarbonate alone, which suggests that baking soda water might be more helpful as a complementary approach than a standalone treatment for gout. But even a modest benefit might mean a lot to someone suffering from a gout flare in the middle of the night. How to take baking soda water properly. If you're considering trying baking soda water, timing, dosage, and safety matter. The ideal time appears to be 1-2 hours after your last meal, shortly before bed. This timing allows your stomach to settle and reduces the risk of acid buildup overnight. For dosage, 1/2 teaspoon, about 2.5 grams, dissolved in 6-8 ounces of water is considered safe for occasional use by most healthy adults. It's important to stir until fully dissolved and sip slowly rather than gulping it down. Who should avoid baking soda? Not everyone should try this remedy. People with high blood pressure should be especially cautious because baking soda contains significant sodium, which can raise blood pressure further and potentially worsen heart conditions. Those on sodium-restricted diets or taking certain medications, diuretics, corticosteroids, or antacids, should consult a doctor first. Baking soda can interfere with these medications or amplify their effects, potentially disrupting electrolyte balance and leading to muscle cramps, weakness, or alkalosis. Pregnant women should avoid using baking soda as a remedy without medical approval. It can cause fluid retention and affect blood pressure during pregnancy. People prone to bloating or gastrointestinal discomfort might find that baking soda causes more problems than it solves, as its reaction with stomach acid releases carbon dioxide gas. Anyone with heart disease, especially congestive heart failure, should steer clear due to the added sodium load. The bottom line is that baking soda isn't universally beneficial. What helps one person might harm another. We would like to hear from you. Have you ever tried using baking soda water? What did you use it for? Please share your experiences, questions, and tips in the comments. Let's create a community of knowledge about this powerful ingredient together. If you found this video helpful, please write yes in the comments below. Also, remember to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our upcoming videos. Share it with your friends and family so everyone can use baking soda water safely and enjoy its benefits. Have a wonderful day and stay healthy, everyone.